Hello, this is Miss Stevens, and today I'd like to talk to you about being an itinerant vision teacher and the special needs we have compared to a teacher in a blind school or in a resource classroom. So, if you're itinerant, you're traveling from school to school to school, sometimes maybe 5 schools a day, and you have to take your supplies around with you. If you want a new story box or story kit, you have to make it yourself, and you have to take it with you from here to there to everywhere. And it gets a lot of use, which is good. But making those story kits for yourself while teaching your students takes time. In the blind school, chances are you have everything at your fingertips that you need. But in an itinerant situation, you have to find things you need. So that is why I think that this project will work well, will supply a need, and will be appreciated by various teachers of the visually impaired. Thank you.